Renders of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra have been released, showing a preview of the next top Android phone. The design looks similar to before, with only a few small changes. Shared by Steve Hemmerstoffer, also known as On Leaks, and posted on Android Headlines, the new Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to feature flat side rails for the first time. This design would align with the regular Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, which also have flat rails. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has flat top and bottom edges, but soft curves along the sides. The renders show that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a similar design to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It will also be lighter than the previous model, weighing 219 grams instead of 232 grams. This weight reduction is likely due to slightly smaller dimensions on all sides. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will have dimensions of 162.8 x 77.6 x 8.2 millimeters, compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 162.3 x 79.0 x 8.6 millimeters. Despite being slightly smaller, it will still feature the same 6.8-inch display, suggesting that the bezels around the screen will be even thinner on this new model. The renders show a familiar camera layout. The renders suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have camera rings similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but ICE claims this detail is incorrect and the actual camera design is still unknown. In summary, what's confirmed so far is that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will move away from the sharp corners and curved sides of its predecessor. However, this doesn't mean its design will fully resemble an iPhone. According to ICE Universe, there are some differences compared to the images. The actual camera design might look a bit different in the final version. He also hints that there will be other changes to the bezel and middle frame, which will appear differently in the final product. Samsung appears to be sticking with a 5,000 mAh battery for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the same as in previous models like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra, and S22 Ultra. It will also support up to 45-watt charging, showing no increase in battery capacity or charging speed. The Galaxy S24 series was announced on January 17, 2024, so it's expected that the Galaxy S25 series will be announced during the week of January 13, 2025. This would be just after CES, which ends on January 10. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.